Hello, welcome back to my channel. You are watching SGM Creations Tutorials, Travels and Lifestyle. First of all, I would like to thank it for all the blessings, especially good health, because health is wealth. Being physically and mentally healthy. And I wish everyone is in good health, and please stay safe and let us be healthy in order that we will live a long life. So, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all my projects. To those who supported and my channel, to those who are new subscribers, I will not mention one by one, and I know who you are. Thank you so much for your support for my channel, and I will do the same to you, and let us support each other and let us grow together. So guys, to this big video, I'm going to review my DIY project, especially on how to recycle plastic bottles and transform into different fashion accessories. So here is one of my creations, guys. Look at this. This creations is made from different plastic bottles of shampoo, conditioner, plastic bottles of fabric conditioner, ketchup, mineral water, and many things. So I will show you what is the primary tools that we're going to use in creating different fashion accessories. Okay, so our main materials is the scissor. You must have a scissor. This is very important. And you need a pliers. This is the presser. This is the cutter, because we need this to cut our wire. And we need this long nose. And we need also this glue. This is a paper glue, and you need a brush, and you need some nail color if you want to use nail color, and you need some crystals like this, crystallize, and you can cut out this one. It depends on your decoration, and this is the one. And you need some lace, pearl lace like this, and you need some beads. You know, beads, the beads is like this is the beads. Okay, and you need a hook. This is the hook. There is a ready-made hook, and you need a ring. You can buy these accessories materials from accessory shop. You just ask if they are selling accessories, materials, and tools. This is the primary tools, these three: the presser, the cutter, and the long nose. And you must have a scissor. So guys, I want to show you about this accessories. This one is made from the plastic bottles of the L'Oreal shampoo, and this is the bottle caps. Just remove it and cut out on the side, and use the adhesive glue if you are using plastics. So you must have adhesive glue. You can buy this in the hardware shop, and you can decorate it. You can cut out your crystallize and just apply adhesive glue and attach the lace and decoration and punch it here. And you have to attach a hook and a ring and a hook, and that's it. And it looks like this. Okay, so this is one of our review. So this one is also made from the plastic bottles of mineral water. Just cut out the plastic bottles of mineral water and form into a circle and join it together, and uh, put a little bit of the adhesive glue to join it together. And when it is already dry, punch a hole and attach a hook and a ring and decorate it with a crystal lace like this. Okay, so this is very easy. So if you want to learn how to create different projects and how to create different fashion accessories like this, so please click my channel playlist beadworks tutorial. Beadworks means it is a tutorial on how to create different jewelry making. Okay, then I have here this one also. So I'm going to uh, show you how it looks like. This one is made of a cardboard. Okay, white cardboard. Just cut out the cardboard and decorate it with the crystallize like this with the use of adhesive glue, and fold it and put a stopper, a hook, a ring and a hook. And now it is an instant fashion accessories, and you can match this in any gown, or you can use this for evening wear. Okay, so this one is made from the plastic bottles, and you can see, and you can also match this with a bracelet. Okay, bigger round, and just attach it together with the use of the glue, adhesive glue, and decorate it with the glaze, and now it looks like this. Okay, so I have many DIY accessories that is already made from the plastic ones, and this one is the same, just cut out, and this is made from the plastic bottles of the shower gel. And now this is now the transformation. Look at this. So it is very easy. And this blue, I have this blue. Look at this blue, this one. So this blue we will hang here or here. Look at this, guys. So this is the blue. So it is made from this shampoo from Ainer. Okay, this is a product of Spain. So now this is now the transformation. So another one, I have here this one. This one is the black. So this is made from this shampoo, Ombia shampoo. Okay, just cut out and form it like this. So if you have the materials, you can do it at home anytime. And this one, guys, I have here this one. This is made from the empty box of the egg tray. Egg tray. Just cut out and just put a glue, adhesive glue, and just wrap around with the use of this crystallize. Okay, and put some pearl lace down. So I hope, guys, you like this tutorial. So please give a try. Just watch my tutorial, my video tutorials. Click the playlist Beadworks tutorials, or another playlist, how to recycle plastic bottles, and you can find all the things that you want to watch my video tutorials. And another, this one, this is made from the plastic bottles of a ketchup. Okay, just cut out the same procedure like this. So it's a very easy project, and you can also use the instant crystallize. It's like a tape type. You can just cut out and attach to the plastic. And this is another project, but it's not yet finished. So I hope, guys, you like this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video and leave a comment, and of course subscribe to my channel so that you will learn many things from me about DIY project, from plastic bottles into transform into unique and beautiful fashion accessories like this. And this one also, guys, look at this. This is made from this plastic bottle from the fabric conditioner.